Go to create a sketch, select the top plane, select rectangle, center rectangle, click here in the midpoint, make a rectangle here, 100 by 100, a square, sorry. And now active the construction line type, click here in the midpoint, make a rectangle here, a square, sorry, 8 by 8 millimeters, and press OK. We have this. Now select the point, make a point here, here, and here. That's okay. Select the circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here, remove the construction line type. The circle here has 59 millimeters of diameter and press OK. Now finish the sketch. We have this. Go to Extrude, select all this profile, extrude this to this direction, -5 millimeters, and press OK. We have this. Show the sketch one again. Go to Extrude, select the circle here, make a cut here, -4 millimeters, and press OK. Now go to create, select the hole, select the hole type, select countersink, drill point, flat, and here select it from sketch, select this point here, this point here, this point here, and this point. The distance is all. This diameter is 8 millimeters of diameter. The angle 90 degrees, and this diameter is 5 millimeters. And press OK. We can hide the sketch one. It is our first exercise, so thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and bye bye.